Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Instagram. Open the app and navigate to the conversation or story composer where you want the sticker. Once done, tap the message field for chat or swipe up in Story Camera to access media. This is where stickers live. Make sure you have the photo, video, or blank background ready because Instagram overlays stickers on content. If you're in chat, open a thread. If in Stories, capture or pick media. This first move gets you directly to sticker options, so you can act quickly. You now tap the sticker icon, the smiley face, so you can choose type: static sticker, GIF via Jiffy, emoji, location, poll, or question. Once selected, you can drag to move it, pinch to resize, and rotate with 2 fingers. These gestures position the sticker precisely. If using GIF search, type keywords to find the right animation. If using custom packs, pick from your saved collection. This customization matters because sticker placement affects readability and interaction, so take a moment to frame it. Finish by tapping send in chat or add to story for stories. Choose your story or close friends depending on audience. You'll see the sticker animate or appear immediately. If it's a GIF, it may loop. Make sure to preview so sticker doesn't obscure important content, then post. If the sticker refuses to send, check your internet connection, confirm the app is updated, clear cache or force close and reopen. If problems persist, log out and back in. This final step ensures delivery and resolves common hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.